What if I told you there was a way to light up and give some life to your kitchen without spending a lot of money or a lot of time? First thing you got to do is head down to the hardware store and grab you some command strips. These are ones made specifically for holding rope lights. They're really easy to use. All you got to do is clip off the clips. They come just bundled up together. They're easy to take apart. And then they come with some really good adhesive strips that go in the back of the clips. Just push those on there and hold them in place for a little bit. It's time to put them onto the cabinet. You want to space these every 1 to 2 feet. Once you get them all on there and put them in place, make sure you let it sit for about 30 minutes. You don't want to start putting your rope light on right away. Again, they're going to go on the sides, anywhere you're going to run the rope, including the bottom of the cabinets. That's going to give it a nice glow, especially what we're looking for. Once we get all of these in, we're going to actually take our rope light and put it in the clips. This rope light is made by Govee, and it's great because it's got a wonderful app you can use. All you got to do is take the rope light and clip it into the clips. Bend it around, and it's really flexible, so it goes up and under everywhere you need. And I'm going to go ahead and put my benches back in, open up the app, and get it started. Once it loads up, it's ready to go. You can pick so many different scenes that you want to use. In fact, you can actually get the mood ready based on a holiday. Once you get it, there it is, a nice glow. And when the lights go off, it gives you a nice night light so you're not stubbing your toes walking through the kitchen at night. Now, take this. You can actually pick a theme based on a holiday. Go ahead and scroll on down, and let's say we want to choose Christmas or Valentine's Day. Watch this. It's going to give you a nice pink glow. Thank you for watching Home Talk, and we'll catch you next time.